everyone. My name is K. Varshita Reddy. I am from 7th class in Target English Medium High School. Today I am going to explain inner structure of an eye. There are many layers in an eye that work together to create an image. The first layer is cornea. The outer layer is called the cornea. The clear and transparent hemisphere-like structure barriers and also protect us from the infections. The next layer is iris. The dark ring-like structure is called iris and colorful part of an eye. The iris behind the cornea. Some people have green eyes and some people have blue eyes, etc. This portion is called the pupil. Pupil controls the amount of light to enter our eyes. Behind the pupil and iris, there is a transparent section called the lens. With the ciliary muscles, the lens can change its shape to focus light. The, the lens becomes thinner when it tries to focus on distant object, and it's become thinner when it tries to focus in a nearby objects. The next is a retina. The retina consists of thin layers of light sensitivity tissues or numerous cells. The retina converts image formed by the lens into electrical impulses to the brain through the optic nerves. How the eyes work. Imagine the alphabet W you are seeing with the eyes. The light rays first pass through the cornea and then iris and then it passes through the lens and finally it arrives at the retina. In retina we can observe the image observed like a inverted or upside down. The W will appear like a M. The retina image converts the image formed by the lens into electrical impulses to the brain. In brain, the alphabet W will appear like a W. Thank you for watching.